how to view your US bank account statements online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to download or view your US bank account statements, well in this video I'll show you how to do it online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, you can just click on the search bar and here you can simply search for US Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the US Bank. Now here, you can just click on the login button at the top right corner and there you can simply enter your personal ID and your password on the next screen. And once you do that, it will take you to your online banking dashboard. Now, on your dashboard, you can just click on the account that you want to view and then look for a link or the tab called Statements and Documents or just Statements. And it's usually on the left hand side or the top menu. Now here you will see the list of monthly statements. So choose the month and year you want and after that you can just click the download or view PDF option. And you can also save the PDF to your computer and print it for your records, which is great for taxes, applications, or budgeting. And that's it. That's how you can view your account statements online with US Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.